This is our semi-private road. That's our workshop up there. This is the house. Our gate. There's our little shed, carport, whatever you want to put in there, ski-doos. And there's the house, kitchen door, front of the house. This is our side yard. Here, our satellite dish. There's our garden, it's all fenced in, deer-proof. U-Haul, front of the house. Fire pit, Scooby, firewood bin, our wood pile. Property goes all the way back to the water there. It's a huge, I don't know, bog, but it's like almost like a pond with lots of grass in it, I would call it. Goes all the way around, you can see. Little, I don't know, outbuilding. Shed. And that road goes back to the other road, big circle. Go up here. Lots of wood lying around here. All the way down there through the meadows, all ours, all the way to the water. And back that way about 2 acres. Haven't explored that yet. Here's the workshop. This is the back property for the road. It goes around. All back there is all our property, all the way down to the water for like 2 acres. And over there's our shed. In the background there, I'm not sure if you can make it out. There's the house. Give you kind of a scan of the property. And this is the other road out of our place. So we have like a round driveway. And that is our private little road that goes to our driveway. The new home.